Hello everyone, RPJapan here, and welcome to a tutorial on how to install Watch Dogs Legion. So, I ran into the issue where if you open up Epic Games Store, it's here, and then you install it. But once you install it, you need an activation key, which, if you download it on the Epic Games Store, you were not given to actually be able to play the game. So, a way to fix this is, what I found out, is that you exit this menu, because it's not helpful. You go here, you right-click this, and you go select games. So when you select games, it gives you a massive list of all the games that you have, and also some free games that are there as well. So when you go to My Games, it's going to say something completely different. It says you have Watch Dogs Legion, and if you download it from the source, then it's going to work. I'll cut back to when this thing's fully downloaded. Alright, so it's been a few hours, and the game's downloaded, so now all you gotta do is press play, say yes, let it do its thing. It's going to ask you about BattlEye, which you should probably install, so it's going to allow you to do online play. Then, as BattlEye is installing, you just continue waiting. And in addition to, if it still doesn't work, you have a key there, which you can show or hide. So I hid my key there, because yes, but you can use the key that's right there if it doesn't work, even if after all this, and eventually get it. And bippity boppity, we are in Watch Dogs Legion. So it's still loading up, but as you can see, Ubisoft. If you want to connect your controller or anything, you can do that. It's telling you what it's made by, and that's how you can get to the game. So yeah, if you have the game installed, go there. If you want to play it on Epic Games, you can use the key there. A very small percentage of things here. It's going to give you warnings and such, and then you're actually able to play Watch Dogs Legion and get around the issue where it's like, give us a key, even if you don't have a key or it wasn't sent to you. So, yep. With that, I'm going to say, RPJapan out.